How to fix Instagram new text font style update not working. If this update is not working on Instagram, it might be because you haven't updated the Instagram app. For that, open the Play Store. Tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Search for Instagram. You can see the results over here. Find the option for Instagram and tap on it. Tap on the option Update. Wait for a while. After Instagram is updated properly, you'll be able to access all the new features including the new text font style. If this feature still does not work, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of Instagram. Launch Open App Library of your device. Find the application for Instagram and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Tap on the option Storage and Cache. Tap on the option Clear Cache. Now once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is uninstall the Instagram application and install it again. Go back. Tap on the option Uninstall. Tap on the option OK. Now after it is uninstalled, go back to the Play Store. Now install the Instagram application. Once it is installed, your problem should be fixed and the feature should start working. Like this, you'll be able to fix Instagram new text font style update not working. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.